Hi, this is Marcus from eCalc, and today I would like to tell you something about drive design and especially regarding framework conditions. Always consider your personal framework conditions. These are quite different, so maybe you want to reuse an existing component. Maybe you have restrictions regarding dimension or weight. You would like to have dedicated flight time, or you fly in a noise sensitive area. The budget itself might be a restriction as well, or maybe also competition rules. If you like to reuse an existing component like a motor, so then you are restricted to this motor itself for your calculation. I personally use an intelligent battery concept based on 3S, 4S, 5S or 6S, or a multiple of that number that has several advantages. So I fly 12 aircrafts on 3 4S batteries itself. So 3 aircrafts are flown with a 4S pack, 7 aircrafts are flown by a 8S pack, that means 2 4S switched in series, or I fly 2 aircrafts based on a 12S, switching 3 4S batteries together. That means much less battery cost throughout the year. So I normally buy 3 4S packs per year and use them over a 2-year period. That gives you a highly utilization of your battery packs, but however I never come over 200 cycles in 2 years. Lipo aging is also based on time itself, so after 2 years most battery packs, whether you did use it or not, gets weak. Then the dimensions might be also a restriction to you, like the propeller ground clearance or a narrow fuselage bodies. For general rule regarding weight, the lighter your all-up weight is, the better your performance get. So that means I generally prefer lighter motors over bigger but more efficient motors, because the additional weight of the bigger and more efficient motors will hamper your all-over performance of the aircraft. Then always use the full power range the motors offers. At full throttle you should reach the limit of the motor. For the ESC I have always 20% headroom, and should your aircraft be tail heavy, just use a bigger motor instead of additional ballast. The flight time itself depends highly on your personal flight style and type of aircraft. High thrust weight ratio normal means you have good flight time, because the maximum throttle is only used in some vertical maneuvers. Adding some capacity to your battery will increase the flight time as well, but keep in mind the all up weight goes up too. There are many other conditions that may apply to you, like competition rules, so restricted energy use, or you're flying in a noise sensitive area. Then keep in mind high RPM will always result in noisy propellers. And last but not least, the budget might be a restriction as well. So when doing your next drive design, keep these conditions in mind. I would appreciate your thumb up and subscription to my channel, and thanks for watching.